Alright guys, here's a quick fix for you. My camshaft position sensor went bad in my 2008 BMW 328i. I knew that because it kind of threw my vehicle into a limp mode where I wasn't driving at full strength and my check engine light kept going on and off, so I decided to take a look at it. Anyways, went into AutoZone, they diagnosed it, and all it is, let me see if I can create some shade, is this little sensor right here. Super easy to get to. Let me grab this right here. This sits right here, pushes into your air filter. All you have to do, there's two screws. There's a screw here, there's a screw here. Super easy to get to, and then you just take this off and it is super exposed. Saves you a lot of time, saves you a lot of money. It's a 1/4 inch socket. Take that off, put it back on. Just be careful. This sensor does have, it only fits in one way. And then yeah, you're good to go. Fire her up. I think it's a 2-day cycle and you'll be good. Thanks guys. Hope this made it easy for you.